Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to trade micro E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures on TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, if you were looking for the TradingView premium discounts, you can just check out the link of this deal down in the description. Currently, the Black Friday sale is going on, which is the greatest deal of the years, and here you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 2 days left, so make sure that you explore the offers and hurry if you are interested. Now when you come here on tradingview.com and log in into your account, you need to first of all click on the products option in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now over here you just have to click on the trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner. Now click on this search icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can look for some of the brokers like TradeStation, AMP, Tradeovate or Optimistic Futures. So once you find any of these brokers, simply click on the icon, then click on the option of connect. After that, you need to provide your login credentials associated with that particular broker and log in into your account. Now, once the connection is established successfully, you are going to see all of the information over here just like so. Now, simply click on this watch list icon here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, click on this plus icon. Now, in order to trade the micro E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures, you need to look for some of the abbreviations. So here when you search for MNQ1, you will find it over here. Simply click on the plus icon and it will be added here in your watch list. So you can click on it and its chart will be opened in front of you. Now you can apply your trading strategies over here, any kind of indicator over here, and you can take a look at it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.